If you're still struggling with efficient invoice workflows, we're able to fix that today. You're able to use Square Invoices, and Square will streamline your codes and your invoices in seconds. You can do this directly from your phone. I know you have your mobile with you everywhere that you go, right? So, step one, let's go ahead and build a fast code. Simply enter your client's name, service, quantity, rate, and Square is going to go ahead and calculate that for you. Step two, Square will convert that quote into an invoice automatically. The client's details, line items, tax, invoice, and numbers are all filled in for you with one head, and send that by mail or share a secure payment link. And then step three, track your payments effortlessly. Square shows you whether an invoice is sent, viewed, or paid, and even sends automatic reminders for overdue invoices. That means you get paid faster without chasing your clients. And here's the best part, Square Invoices is free. You heard that right. It's free to use. You only pay a processing fee when clients actually make a payment. No monthly subscription, no hidden costs. So you're able to go ahead and work that percentage in that you will pay to Square in what your clients pay, so that you're able to get your net payment. So if you're a freelancer, creator, or small business owner, this workflow can save you hours every single week. And for a full step-by-step tutorial, just outside of this, you can go onto our website at www.unifiedais.com. If you want us to help you set it up for you, we're able to help you free of cost as well. Thank you, and we will see you in our next video.